In a lush valley surrounded by emerald hills, a single raindrop was born in the clouds above. The other raindrops fell with confidence, trembling down without hesitation. But this raindrop, small, unsure, and new to the world, clung to the cloud and asked, "What lies below?" The earth, the wind whispered, and rivers, mountains, deserts, and the great ocean. The ocean? The raindrop asked. "We are rich only if you let go," the wind replied gently. Terrified but curious, the raindrop let go. It dropped from the sky, landing on the edge of a leaf. For a moment it felt proud, until the sun came out and began to dry the leaf. Fear crept in. What if I disappear before I reach my destination? But before it could evaporate, a breeze blew the leaf, and the drop rolled off into the soil. The raindrop sank deep, lost in darkness. Days passed. It flowed through roots, slipped between stones, and wandered beneath the surface. Many times it nearly gave up. Why didn't I just stay in the cloud, it thought. But something inside it whispered, "Keep going." Eventually, the raindrop emerged in a mountain spring. The light touched it again, and birds sang overhead. It joined other drops and flowed into a stream. Together they laughed, bumped into rocks, and carved a path forward. They passed dry lands, noisy towns, and silent forests. The journey was long and harsh. Some drops were taken up by trees, others captured in bottles. But this raindrop kept moving forward. At one point, the stream split into two. Unsure which way to go, the raindrop paused. "Follow the pull of your purpose," said the stones below. So it followed the gentle tug of the current. And then one day, without even realizing it, the raindrop reached the ocean. The vastness stretched endlessly before it. The raindrop, once alone and afraid, was now part of something greater, something powerful and deep. It hadn't just reached the ocean, it had become it. And in that moment, the raindrop understood. The journey had made it worthy of the destination.